Hello world, my name is Silver Draconis and welcome back to Secrets of Grindea. I think I fixed the lag. I think. In the last episode, as you could probably tell if you managed to watch all the way through that mess, it was really laggy in some parts, especially during the boss battle, which really sucked, because that made it hard. But I think I fixed it. Maybe. Because I noticed even my computer was starting to lag on just basic things like in Discord and stuff. So I broke down and I did as much of a deep clean as I am mentally aware of how to do, and it seems to be running a little better. I also did some farming and I pseudo recorded some Grindea footage of that. Well, pseudo. I recorded, but I'm not gonna post it anywhere, basically. And it seemed to be better. So hopefully we're good to go. Alright, those explanations out of the way. Now, as I mentioned, I grinded a bit. I don't remember what level I was before. I think I leveled up only once. It's hard to remember because those ghosts keep tricking me with the whole level up, and I'm just, I lose track. But, what have I all made? No hats, none of these. Okay, so I got this. That's from a wizard. It's like a magic wand thing. I got this from a crab, which I'm not using either of them because they both kind of suck. That's fine. I didn't get a two-handed weapon. I did get a shield. I made this with the crab parts, and it's actually better. I'll miss the thorns on my thorny shield, but it's just so much better. It's so much better defensive-wise. I just can't. I can't justify it just for a little tiny bit of extra poke damage. Especially with how little I can actually freaking manage to block properly. I need all the defense I can get. Plus it gives me defense as I'm sitting there. I don't have to actually block. It reduces damage even when not held up. My door just flew open. Excuse me for one moment. And I'm back. Okay, I'm gonna cut that out for a little bit. Opened the door earlier to water my plants and apparently didn't close it all the way. Alrighty, back to what I was doing. I've made a few armor pieces. I have this one, which is made from the wizard's scrap of fabric stuff, which I'm not really wearing. I have this one, which is super defensive, but doesn't give me anything else. And then I have this, which I'm actually wearing because it gives attacks per second, attack, and magic attack. What I was wearing before was this one. So this one is a bit more defensive, but I like the extra attack and attacks per second and everything on the new one. It's a bit more. It's a lot more defensive. Let's be honest here. All right. I haven't made any shoes, no accessories, no key items. Okay. Oh, I made one of these as well. I forgot that was a new thing. Where is it? Probably up here, base gear. Yeah, here it is. It sucks. It's to explain it briefly, what it says slowly drains your life into essence. Basically, when you wear it, you take damage, over time. And it's not just a little bit, no, your health just goes vroom as you're fighting. I don't know what it's based off of. I don't know if it's every time you attack or just per second. I don't know, but I put it on because I was kind of curious, because if it wasn't that bad, it's actually, a pretty decent effect. I was gonna wear it if the health loss wasn't that bad, but no, my health just went noom. It wasn't instant, but it was way too fast for me to be comfortable with. It is definitely a it's a good item, but it's risky, and I'm not good enough for that. So I made that. I made the armor, I made the shield, made the poncho, robe. This I still haven't made just because I need more crabby pieces, but that's the only crabby thing left. This I still don't know what the fuck that thing is. It's been there since the desert. I don't know what it is. It makes me sad. I leveled up. Oh, I didn't put my point anywhere. What the fuck? Well, let's do that, shall we? Oh, takes a gold point now. I don't have a gold point. Oh, that's why I didn't. Oh, here, I can put it here. There we go. I'm running out of places to put those silver points. I should have leveled up beforehand, but I didn't know I'd forgotten. There you go, great chance. Boring stuff. Okay, now to show this. I've gotten everything from the Haunty, everything from the Skeleton Wizard. I'm still missing the sword from the Skeleton Warrior, and I got everything from the Krabby and cards as well. I got the Wizard, the Haunty, the Krabby, and I'm still missing the Warrior. So basically, I'm reduced to farming warriors, which isn't that bad because I found a decent spawn place for him. When I get back to where we were, I will show it out. I'm also going to try to make these episodes a little shorter. This one is probably going to be a bit longer still, because I had to explain a whole bunch in the beginning, and I don't want to deprive you guys of gameplay. But the last episode I wanted to make extra long because it's been so long since I've recorded, but now we'll be back to normal length stuff. Yeah, I hope it's less laggy. This, by the way, is the room where I'm farming warriors. This room spawns warriors, wizards, and crabs, but does not spawn haunties. So this is the room I was farming warriors in. And this room over here, not this room. This room over here, I believe it's this way. Yeah, this room spawns, other than the one warrior that spawns in the beginning here, it doesn't spawn warriors, but it does spawn crabs, wizards, and haunties. So this is where I was initially farming, because I thought it spawned everything with the initial warrior spawn here, but it doesn't. Other than that first one, it doesn't spawn warriors, so I had to go somewhere else to farm warriors. Alright, but now, I'm gonna take that health potion, and we can move on. And let's go start crawling on some creepy arm tentacles. Yay! Oh, they do something. Okay. Interesting. So they don't see me on the floor. Alright. I'm trying to figure things out, you stupid eyeball. How do I get past that middle bit? Wait, how actually? That middle table with the green bottle on it, how do I get past that? Is there an item I can use? Do I have an item? Oops, fuck. Item. Can't. Ooh, I wonder. I bet. Hang on. I got an idea. So if I go across the tentacle and I turn off the camera, I bet that'll work. Okay. Ready? Does that work? Oh, it does. Oh, it does. That's how we do it. Ooh. Like, timing this. I got stuck. Oops. Okay, I don't remember where the tentacles go in this part. This is kind of scary. Okay, when it swings back that way, I will go. Hey, foo, ha. Oh, hey, my health pulse is back. Neat. And I'm full health. Alright, cool. Okay, swings back. Go. More eyeballs! Yay! Ooh, there's a chest. Oh, and there's a ladder I can knock down. Fantastic! I don't have to do it all again. Okay. So I can go this way pretty safely. Wait, how do I... I'm stuck. I'm actually stuck. What do I do? Hello? Oh, I wonder if I... Hang on. I have an idea. There we go. Maybe we could push it into something. That rope ladder would come loose. Yeah. Bonk. And now we can traverse. Very nice. Okay. What is that? I knew that mask was fucking weird. I knew it. Is it coming closer? What are you? What are you? Why are you a thing? I don't like you. Oh. Okay. Now I have 2 things to worry about. Very neat. Super happy about that. Oops. Can you go away, Mr. Mask? I don't like you. Oh, my boy and Jesus. This doesn't do damage to me. That's pretty cool with it. Made it to the chest. Let's go. Give me that thing. Aged rum? The fuck do I do with that? Bottle of rum aged for thousands of years. Only a true connoisseur could fully appreciate it. What the fuck do I do with rum? What the fuck do I do with rum? I'm just gathering shit. I have a mirror. I have rum. I have a translation tome. I have so many things that I've never used. A Yeti doll. I have so many things I've never used. Another doll. The things I've never used. What the fuck am I gonna do with rum? I'm just gonna fall down and start over. So I gotta go a different way. I gotta go to the left now. Oh, no I don't. I gotta go around. I see. I see. I was mistaken where that tentacle went. Fuck off. Oh, you get closer and closer. So I gotta wait for you to get your distance back. Interesting. Interesting mechanic. Oh. Oh. I gotta get on the stool to be okay? Can I stand on the stool? Doesn't look like it. Ugh, this mask is awful. I don't like it. I don't know how I'm supposed to deal with it. Oh, that's the wrong button. My fingies are in a weird place. Go away. No one likes you. Least of all me. Something tells me that's as far as it's gonna get away from me. Oh, I should have waited. Eh. Okay. Watch where the mask is and wait till it's far away. Also gotta hope that syncs up with the eyeballs. It's very annoying. Oh, I was so close. God damn it. No, the eye saw me. So busy looking at the mask. DC's no DC. Can I really just not stand on stools? Hang on, let me... Yeah, send me back. I just can't. Why? Oh, this is really annoying. This is really annoying and I don't like it. Ho, 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 ho! We made it! Guys, we made it! Okay, okay. I thought I was dead there, but I'm not. Okay, so I gotta go this way and then up. It's not gonna be easy. Like how badly timed this is. Is that go when the eyeball's not looking at me? Oh, we made it. Yes! Yes! If this game had a save, I'd be saving right now. Onward and forward. I also want to check the time. I'm probably gonna make this like... Okay, we've only been going for like 15 minutes. Okay. So much stuff. Notes of Brulee. Chef cook. Chief cook, not chef cook. That has an I in it. Also, that is a fantastic name for a cook. Note 1. My little siski's yapping about them ers. Nobody like 'em. The crew wants to taste a hove, not original, or whatever that Grindean junk is called. Note 2. Tomato soup is the stuff for willy fever, Mom used to say. I reckon she was right. Those old folks got back on their feet right after eating it. Oh. Note 3. People who beat the fever are getting real strange. They don't talk much and they don't eat much. Can't trust a guy that don't eat. Note 4. I've talked to the cat. Blood is scattered all across the page, and the rest are blank. Ooh, you died in here. Something tells me if I turn on the thing, I will see a ghost. The rotten tomatoes have somehow not decomposed entirely. Fantastic. Journal of Soufflé, assistant cook. These names. Return trip, day 1. Praise the market! I got my hands on both oregano and rosemary, 2 exquisite spices native to Grindea. I can't wait to finally let the crew taste some actual flavors. Day 6. My older brother is seriously the worst chef in the world. Who gets their hands on exotic flavors only to throw them out and keep making bland tomato soup? The worst chef in the world, that's who. Day 11. Wow, that old couple actually got cured after eating my brother's tomato soup? I honestly thought it was more likely to kill them. Day 15. Things are getting real scary around here. The willy fever seems to fry people's brains. It's like they aren't human anymore. Day 18. Tiny Bono burst into the kitchen, killed my brother, and put a meat cleaver in me. It hurts so bad. Real bad. And I'm losing a lot of blood. At least I got to spend my last moments writing. It's weird, but I always hope I'd go out this way, writing to my last breath. The journal just suddenly... The ink trails off the page as if the writer died and dramatically fell to the ground, pen in hand. Oops, sorry, I dropped my pen. And I actually feel great all of a sudden. My wound doesn't bother me at all. And even my brother seems fine too, even without his head. Ooh. Mind foggy, writing tough, but helps. Brother's still here. I hate that guy. I hate. Ooh. Journal of Captain John Bones, Part 4. Day 47. A strange fever hit the ship. An elderly couple was the first to get ship, and our ship's doctor is not optimistic. Dave, I forgot his voice, didn't I? Oh, he said his pirate accent was fake anyway. I think I gave him a pirate accent, so, well. More people are getting sick. Dr. Boris thinks we'll lose one or both of the elderly couple tonight. Day 49. When all hope seemed lost, the old couple suddenly got better. They seem a bit dazed, to be sure, but they are spry as youngsters. The doctor is speechless. Hey, it's the guy without his head. Neat. Ah, I was right. You're gonna lure him to the fire. Ow! Damn it. This is harder than I thought it'd be. Okay. Ouch. God damn it. I gotta like notice a pattern. Ouch. God damn it. I keep getting hit by stupid ships because I'm trying to figure out where the fuck the fire's going. Okay, now it should be to the left. Now it should be down here. Nope, it's up. But it should be down next. Oh, come on, that totally hit him! You've been trying. Not really, Meg. I was trying to, well, I was trying. I was just trying. I wasn't trying to dodge. I was trying to get him to the fire. Do I need this on? Can I talk to you? And dot dot dot. Red, juicy, a bite. Okay. Hi. Okay. It's here. He goes, ow. That's really just... Come on, that did damage. Left, to the right, to the left, to the right. Oh, come on. I died even earlier that time. Yeah. Shut up, Beck. Okay. Left, right. Okay. That's annoying. Hey, I got it though. He's almost dead. Oh, come on. That totally fucking hit him. Thank you. I'm guessing that was the sister? If that's the chef who got his head chopped off, that must have been the sister. Okay. Well, that was a display of utter stupidity, but hey, we here, we living. Wait, where does this key go? Wait, I don't actually know where this goes. Guys, help. Is the mask not gonna chase me anymore? Because that'd be super cool if it didn't. Do I gotta go back this way? Oh, hey, actually, here. Shortcut! Thank you. Pardon me, excuse me. Where does this go? I don't actually remember. Is it this way? No. Is it this way? Oh, it's the chest and the door. Chest or the door? Chest door. Door chest. Oh, and we get to have our little... Oh, wait. It must mean that mask does something. What are you gonna do, Mr. Mask? Because the floor cleaner guy went through that door. Yay. Oops. Did you just waste our only key on the chest instead of the door? Look, Meg, I didn't. Uh-oh. And all we got was a bunch of gunpowder. Absolutely useless. I'm sorry. I didn't think. It's okay. It's okay. I can fix it. On second thought. Yeah. I didn't even think. I wonder if you could have actually just opened the door. Oh, come on. Like, I legit wonder if you could have just actually opened the door. A painting? What am I supposed to do with a... Ooh, that's scary. Oh, my defense is up. Fuck you. Let me hit you. Can I hit you now? No. You're just an annoyance. Aye! What the fuck am I supposed to do about that? Is this a spot to hide? Not really. Any of my... Yes, See, those ghosts do the stupid level up. I'm going to die. I am actually going to die. At least it's not laggy anymore. That's cool. Oh, I can avoid those with the space bar. Okay. That's fine. I died. I thought I would. Ugh. Why am I being bad today? Give me a second. Okay. Stupid painting. Ow. Didn't even notice you. You do these. Give me the health. Thank you. Move over there. That's right. Okay. Oops. Came back in just to get blasted in the face. Fuck you, painting. Also, there's a thing to read. Journal of Captain John Bones, Part 5. Day 53. The fever is a strange one. People get very ill, but just when they seem to pass the point of no return, they suddenly get better. Dr. Boris is clearly bothered. He says he's never seen anyone so close to death yet survived. He says he's impossible. As for me, I'm just grateful. I will say, though, that those who survive from the brink of death come back a little off, so to speak. There's a young deck swabber who can't remember his own name. I think we read that one already. Why did we get the 5th one before the 4th one? Cannon time! Cannon time! Cannon time! Cannon time! I must say, watching you struggle with that cannonball and gunpowder was a treat. Did a weird thing with your voice there, Vag. I apologize. I'm real glad I got to see it. Ah, shut up, Vag. Now be careful, kid. You won't be a very useful sidekick if you blow your fingers off. Yeah. Did it not go off? Well, that was anticlimactic. Oh, right. Dungeon rule number 29. Explosives always go off with such dramatic delay. Let's get going. Ooh. Let's get going, kid. Alrighty. What time is it? I'm trying to keep a more careful eye on the time so we don't end up recording for 50 million years. Alright. It is actually about time to end, so I'm going to... Okay? I swear, there's a fucking paint. Oh no, the sign. The sign! The sign! The sign is gonna be a problem! The sign is gonna be a thing now. The sign. Mask. Whatever it is. Yeah, that thing! You! Oh my god. Okay, so you just do fire. I don't have to actually, like... I can attack the skulls without being in, like, ghosty goo form. Not the button I meant to press, but okay. I'm not close enough! Fucking mask. Fucking mask, I knew it. Wizards, take care of the wizards, because I don't want to deal with multiple things that I gotta dodge. La la la. Thanks for the health. This is going much better than the previous fight. Goodbye, you fucking asshole. Okay, I just want to get up here, Jesus. Okay. But that is going to do it for this episode then. In the next episode, we will continue beyond the door. I'm very glad to see that the lag has been fixed, though. Hooray! Alright, but until the next time then, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, let me know. If you didn't, let me know. If you got any tips or tricks or anything you want to see me do, comments down below, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!